Good morning to each and every one of you. Today is Wednesday. It is the 29th of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are going for a long drive. I think I'm going to go for a long drive after work today. Maybe go to the beach, maybe go to the mountains and just look at stuff. Been cooped up in the house for a long time. Also, my children, who are an endless source of fun and merriment and love, and my gorgeous wife. I have some good things from you guys that you shared the last day or two. One of them, doctors and scientists. Yes, definitely an important thing. Disney Plus and Spotify. Definitely a good thing. Cousins. Hamilton. Spring lock failure. I don't know what that is, but that was on the list. And also our food list for the day: sandwiches, cupcakes, tea, egg tarts, pasta, barbecue, pizza, ramen, and hot Cheetos. So those are your good things. All right, this is going to be a short video today. It is a social studies day. On Monday, I assigned that Renaissance concluding project. I sent you the doc that kind of outlined what you needed to do. Basically, you're choosing either an idea or a person from the Renaissance and explaining why they were important and how they still affect the world today. You can do so via a 5-paragraph essay or a 30-second video. I'll be sending you an assignment on Google Classroom today along with this video, where you will submit these videos or essays, and they are due today. Let's say that they are due by 3 o'clock. That is all for today. Short video. Stay healthy, stay safe, send me an email if you have any questions. Bye-bye.